In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove whitelist in Yahoo. If you've created a filter in Yahoo Mail to always allow certain emails into your inbox, that's essentially a whitelist. Removing it will stop those messages from automatically bypassing normal spam checks, which can help clean up clutter or fix over-permissive rules. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. Depending on your location, you may be redirected to a regional version of Yahoo, and that's perfectly fine. The steps are the same. Look toward the upper right corner of the Yahoo homepage and find the Sign In option. Click it, then follow the on-screen prompts to log into your account. You may be asked to verify with a code or confirm your identity. Give it a moment while Yahoo completes the sign-in process. Once you're signed in, return to the top right area and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. When your inbox loads, look for the settings icon. It's the small gear usually in the top right corner of the Mail interface. Click it to open the quick settings panel, then choose More Settings at the bottom to access the full settings page. On the left side of the settings page, click Filters. This is where Yahoo stores rules that automatically sort or route your messages. A whitelist in Yahoo Mail is often just a filter you previously set up to always send messages from certain senders straight to the inbox or a specific folder. In the list of filters, find the one that functions as your whitelist. Filter names vary, so look for something you created to allow or prioritize certain senders or domains. Click the filter to select it and review its details to confirm it's the one you intend to remove. Next, click Delete to remove that filter. Yahoo will typically ask you to confirm, so click Delete again to finalize. After this, emails previously forced through by that filter will follow Yahoo's standard spam and inbox rules. If you notice that a legitimate sender starts going to spam afterward, you can adjust your settings later or create a more precise filter, but for now, the whitelist rule is removed. That's it. You've opened Yahoo, signed in, gone to Mail, entered settings, navigated to more settings, selected filters, chosen the whitelist filter, and deleted it. Take a moment to double check your remaining filters so nothing else is unintentionally whitelisting messages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Yahoo Mail.